General Starlight Vivo sucks. What should I do to him as punishment? I know. I'm going to blow up his car. Obviously he cares about that a lot. Ha 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 ha. This is his car. Let's blow up this bitch. I gotta get out of here before it explodes. Ha 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 ha. Take that, Doug.
Oh my god. What the hell happened to my car?
Oh mum. I blew up your car. Sorry.
Manuel. How freaking dare you destroy my car? Now I don't have that car anymore. That is it. I'm calling your dad.
Nah.
Hi, Mr. Volodyaras speaking. What? You have got to be kidding me. Say that again. He did what? Oh my god. He is so grounded. Thanks for telling me. Goodbye. So, Manuel, what did you do to General Starlight's car?
Nothing.
Liar. Tell me the truth or else I will assault you.
Okay. I blew up General Starlight Vivo's car. I did this as a harmless prank.
You are so grounded for life. Get your fucking ass to your room right now. Before I end this video, I just want to let you guys know that this will be my last video until I go back to school. I'm going back to school tomorrow. On September the 1st, don't worry. I can still make grounded videos in the future. Maybe when I'm free. And I also reached 300 subs. This is General Starlight Vivo. Signing off.